Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn for tricks in integer operation through examples. Trick 1. Making tens. When faced with adding numbers like 97 and 35, a helpful technique is to break down one of the numbers to make a 10. In this case, we can decompose 35 into 3 and 32. Now, adding 97 to 3 results in a convenient round number, 100. Then, combining the remaining 32, we get 132. This method simplifies the addition process by making the numbers more friendly and easier to work with. Trick 2. Regrouping. The technique you are referring to, where numbers are grouped to simplify addition by making tens or hundreds, is commonly known as regrouping or grouping for place value. In the expression 37 plus 8 plus 63 plus 12, we can strategically regroup the numbers to simplify the addition process. Combining 37 and 63 forms a convenient round number, 100. Simultaneously, grouping 8 and 12 results in 20. Now, the expression can be expressed as 100 plus 20, making the addition more straightforward and efficient. This regrouping method is particularly useful for mental calculations and enhances the overall efficiency of addition operations. Trick 3. Combining within parentheses. When faced with a subtraction expression 135 minus 68 minus 32, a practical strategy is to group the terms within parentheses. By combining 68 and 32, we get 68 plus 32, which simplifies to 100. Now, the expression becomes 135 minus 100, making the subtraction more straightforward. This method streamlines the calculation process by focusing on grouped terms and is particularly useful when simplifying complex expressions. Trick 4. Using a benchmark. The method where the numbers are adjusted based on a certain integer to simplify the calculation can be described as using a benchmark. When adding the numbers 31, 32, 29, 33, and 27, a helpful technique is to round each number to 30. Breaking down each number into 30 and the remaining difference allows for quick and efficient computation. In this case, we can express the numbers as 30 plus 1, 30 plus 2, 30 minus 1, 30 plus 3, and 30 minus 3. Combining these rounded values with parentheses, simplifying to 152, which equals 152. This method uses 30 as a benchmark to streamline the addition process, making it more efficient and easier to compute mentally. Next, let's go through a few examples to get a handle on these techniques. Now, we're going to use a smart trick called the making tens to quickly add these numbers 98, 38, 28, and 99. First, let's look at 98 and 38. What if we take 2 from 38 and add it to 98? That way, we get a fantastic round number, 100. So, 98 plus 2 equals 100. Now, onto 28 and 99. What if we take 1 from 28 and add it to 99? Yes, you guessed it, we get another fantastic 100. But we're not done yet. We need to add what we took away from 38, remember. It was 2, and from 28 it was 1. That's 38 minus 2 plus 28 minus 1, which is 36 plus 27. Giving us 63. Now, we add up everything. And what do we get? The grand total is 163. Next, let's look at 96, 366, and 98. First, we'll focus on the big number, 366. What if we split it into 2 parts, 4 and 2? Why? Well, because 4 and 96 together make a nice, round number 100. And 2 and 98 make another fabulous 100. Now, our new expression looks like this. 96 plus 4 plus 360 plus to plus 98. But we're not stopping here. We need to add those numbers that make tens together. So 96 and for make 100 and 98 and to make another 100. Now our equation becomes 100 plus 360 plus 100. We can add those hundreds together. So 100 plus 100 equals to 100. Then add 200 and 360. The answer is 560. So, using the making tens strategy, we quickly found out that 96 plus 366 plus 98 equals 560. Next, we're going to tackle a big addition problem using a clever method called regrouping. Alright, let's start with the numbers 71 and 29. What if we put these two together? Yep, you got it. 71 and 29 make a fantastic round number 100. So, let's group them as 100. But we're not done yet. Let's look at 53 and 47. Oh, how magical! When we add 53 and 47, we get another splendid 100. Wait, there's more regrouping fun to do. Let's look at 82 and 18. Amazingly, they also add up to 100. Now, our equation looks like 100 plus 100 plus 100. And now, we can add those hundreds together. So, 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals 300. So, using our regrouping magic, we found out that 71 plus 53 plus 82 plus 47 plus 29 plus 18 equals 300. Okay, let's look at the big numbers. 280 minus 24 minus 76 minus 65 minus 35. What if we group the numbers in pairs within parentheses? For example, let's group 24 and 76 together inside parentheses, and 65 and 35 inside another set of parentheses. Now, our expression looks like this. But the magic happens when we add the numbers within the parentheses. Inside the first set, 24 plus 76 equals 100. And inside the second set, 65 plus 35 also equals 100. Now, our equation becomes 180 minus 100 minus 100. So, the answer is 80. Next, let's dive into the numbers. 317 minus the quantity 105 plus 17, minus the quantity 40 plus 95. Let's regroup and rewrite the equation. Now, inside the parentheses, 317 minus 17 equals 300. And 105 plus 95 equals to 100. Our new expression becomes 300 minus 100 minus 40 equals 60. Next, we're going to tackle an addition challenge using a clever method called using a benchmark. Let's look at the numbers 9, 99, and 999. What if we think of each of these numbers as a benchmark but with a little twist? For 9, we can think of it as 10 minus 1. For 99, it's like 100 minus 1. And for 999, it's like 1000 minus 1. Now, our expression looks like this. But the real magic happens when we combine these benchmarks. Let's regroup and rewrite the equation. Our expression becomes 10 plus 100 plus 1000 minus 3 equals 1107. Alright, let's look at the numbers 52, 51, 50, 49, and 48. What if we think of each of these numbers as a benchmark, just like we did before? For 52, it's like 50 plus 2. For 51, it's like 50 plus 1. For 50, it's just 50. For 49, it's like 50 minus 1. And for 48, it's like 50 minus 2. Now, let's regroup and rewrite the equation. Inside the parentheses, to plus 1 minus 2 equals 0. So, our expression becomes 5 times 50 equals to 150. Next, leave you with a couple of small exercises. Thank you for watching, and the answers to the mini quiz are attached.